show this off. Diatone, so nice. They asked me for some graphics, and then we're gonna make me a special 7th anniversary edition of the GTR. And I didn't really know what to expect, but this turned out amazing. It's got, I said on my logo, I've got that on the bottom plate here, and then there's the bottom of the quad, nice white 2-dog, and then this is kind of, you know, the graphic blown up obviously for the arms. It makes a nice little splatter pattern. I was really impressed with this print quality. It just looks shiny. I think the blue and the white looks really good on this quad. I think it would be a really cool thing if we had more quads that had this color. This is the GTR 7th anniversary edition. You can't get the 2-dog edition. This is, I've got the only frame in the world actually. So I'm not gonna fly this. This is gonna be a hanger queen, and it's just something to remember the time the couple years I worked with Diatone. I really appreciate them sending this. It's a really nice kit though. I might get one, just a normal one, just to race. It's got 6mm arms, 3mm bottom plate. They're boomerang arms, so that will alleviate any kind of slipping. Got lock nuts here, and then you're gonna go your post there. But the cool thing with this kit is it comes with a pod. So this one came with, I mean, it's a beautiful blue pod. So that's gonna go here, I'd imagine. And your standoffs go back there. And your camera. So tons of room to build something. However, if you don't like pods, it also comes with a top plate with the standoffs and all the hardware and a camera mount. And if you're going with the top plate, it's also going to come with a TPU antenna holder for the back. So real impressive for $50. It's a great deal to get both options. I bet it would turn out, I think the frame weighs 73 grams. So that's not too bad at all. But a nice kit, GTR 7th anniversary. So if you want to pick one of these up, Race Day Quads has them. I'll put a link below. And so does Diatone USA. You also just order direct from Diatone. Their version has a kitty cat on here. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I appreciate it, Diatone. Thanks a lot. And this one's going to be hanging up in my office.